Hey guys, welcome back.
It's a new product review, and this one was highly requested, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And again, if you have any other requests, leave them in the comments, and I will try my best to find the product and do a review on it. I have to give a major shout out to the most influential in the hair game, Allen Iverson, with his style, his fashion, his braids. Man, he did that. And we're still using a lot of his styles today. A lot of people don't know, but this is one of the styles that Allen Iverson wore. So shout out to him and his braider. I have to tell a lot of my kids and my older clients to put their elbows up on my chair, because most people will like look down at their phone and I cannot see the front of your hair when you're looking down. So that's what I just told him. But y'all, look at the product. That's the product. Lock In. I think that's what it's called. Honestly, I could not figure out the name of it. I just see Lock In on the bottle. So that's what I'm going to call it. So about it. Okay, so this product doesn't smell. It isn't expensive. I believe I paid like $21 or $22 for it. I believe it's a 16-ounce jar. It was literally the perfect product for his hair type. I had no complaints about it while doing his hair. It really reminds me of the Pure Naturals Lock and Twist gel. Like it's a very close match to it. I do believe that it's a little more greasy than Lock and Twist, but I did not have an issue with the greasiness of it for his hair. I did use this product, on another client before him, and she had a completely different hair type, and for her it felt more greasy. It was like I needed something that was more of a tackier hold. So yes, I will use this product again. I will have to decide on which client to use it on, because it clearly has great use for certain clients. And that's what I found with most products, is that you can use them. They're not bad products. They just are for different clients. As far as drying, this product doesn't dry out like other products do. So I do like that about it. It still gives you that nice finished look when it's dry. As far as the product mixing with other products, I'm not sure. I didn't use this product with any other product, so I'm not sure how well it mixes with products. She would start yelling as soon as I press record. But anyways, that wraps it up with the Lock In product review. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn your notifications on. Be sure to follow all of my socials. Instagram is BamsBraids804. And TikTok is _Brittany Alexis. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at puff spot. Jeff for peas.
Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas.
She not a lesbian for P. She turned lesbian.
Push P.
Push a P. I'm capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy. Jump pushing P.
Purple paint, pink, push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah. Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Papa P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Cut it, bunch of P, and okay. Bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push P.
I just cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. Push a P. I'ma P you at your endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply porcelain. I never saw ops, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shorty forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, try to sort it. I'm pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing P. P.
Push P.
Push P.
Push P.
Push P.
Yeah.
When we could be superstars, we've been rather wrecking cars. What is at stake for us? Kicking up corners. Yeah, we could be superstars,
Super ground.
but I'm pretty sure our time is up. So we found out the spinning top. Don't know, maybe for trial, but bring my arrow.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step of help with none of you killers. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Helping now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shit. I knew the bird was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a criminal. Yeah, cut those bin, KTV, let the wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no hand stepping. Crush my arms, totally wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage and stayed in the cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka 28 Carvin. We could've been superstars.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like go yard, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Then you wanna shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top, baby. She wants Chanel, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, guys, I need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Anti-Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty, cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go home. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product, bitch? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of bitch. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, bitch. Then you wanna shoot with the red at the bottom, bitch. You know I like when you ride at the top, bitch. If I hit it front and back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. Then she got a husband with her, take her back to Milo. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And her name ain't Megan, but she a stallion. Keep my whole divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride. And the sneakers all Kenzo. Shawty know the drop it low like a liver. How we think it like Timbo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she I ain't no player, I just got a lot of play. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe.